Hello, traders out there in Traderland. D7 here with Grok Trade, and it's a pleasure to have all of you with us. I'm 27 years into the markets, and I hope to share a couple things with you that I think you might find interesting. This is the S&P 500 chart. We're using technical analysis, and we're looking at a daily chart on the S&P 500. The reason this is important is because the markets, everybody follows the S&P 500. 500 blue chip companies, the biggest in the world, well, in the United States. Big blue chip companies in here gives us a good sampling of what's happening in the markets. And sure enough, based off of last week, said look for this thing to start breaking down. And sure enough, we're breaking down, but we hammered out today on Friday. Markets are over in a big hammer time. Diamonds, if you look at the diamonds, same thing, but it is bouncing off of a support line. This was a rising wedge, big drop, hammer time at the bottom. I hate the increased volume on the downside. That is problem to me. If I look here at the Qs, down, big volume on the downside. This is telltale sign that we got a hammer time bouncing off the rising 50-day moving average for tech stocks. This thing will more than likely go up on Monday. Monday could last into Tuesday and Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday, maybe. But we have a big time resistance up above. It could be a one-day pop Monday, maybe Tuesday, and then it is anybody's guess what will happen after that. We are in a lot of trouble. We're seeing some serious volume coming in on the downside, huge distribution of on the sell side, guys. If you look here at the Russell's 2000, a very big drop, but this thing looks like you want to buy this thing going in, but look at the big volume increasing all of last week on this big drop. So while we're going higher on the Russell, we miss hitting the top. We miss hitting the top. We really miss hitting the top. Relative weakness slowing down. We come down to the bottom. We crack that. Now we're going to bounce maybe 2 to 3 days. Maybe 2 to 3 days. If you go here to the financials, big symmetrical triangle, it bounced up. We're going to run into major resistance here. What will it do with that resistance? US dollar up. It pulled back to a major support line. Watch that. Gold, you can see this. We petered out, but now we're rolling up. We'll have another rally to the upside. Silver, same thing. But I'm telling you guys, we dropped here. This could be a bearish pennant. That could get really ugly and fast. If you look here at the fear indicator, yep, last week, boom, up. Friday, we spiked up over 22, got up to about 23, and then came right back down. Bitcoin got down, but look at how every time we get to these lows around this 100,000 mark, people are buying it back. Could be a buy opportunity for Bitcoin right now at 100,000. Not too shabby. But listen, I didn't run any ads on this. If I didn't run ads on this, that's because I love you guys. I hate watching ads, and I don't want to force them to you. Give me a thumbs up for that by itself. Doesn't cost you anything to do. I just taught an all-day class for the Master Trader 401 Master Trader. Big group of students, and we'll be doing that again tomorrow. So I'm happy to get this short video out to you today on Friday. So if you're happy for the early one, give me a thumbs up on that too. If you don't want to miss any of my videos, feel free to do it. Now, listen, some of you guys don't subscribe, but I keep popping up on your feed. You assume that you're subscribed. You're not. You're missing out the latest videos. You're not seeing those. So if you want to be alerted to the latest videos of somebody that's been trading in the live markets 27 plus years and own a hedge fund, I might have a couple things to share with you that might be of interest to you. If so, you can all get subscribed and unsubscribe later if you want to. Take care, guys. We'll see you guys later. Bye.